up guys, it's your lady teenager Umoto. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. Today guys, I'm coming to you from my backyard. The reason being, it's because I wanted to show you the progress of my pear tree. As you know, I told you earlier, I have two pear trees. So I told you I am going to keep the progress of the pear tree, how it's growing, how it's flowering, how are we going to eat it. So today is the day I'm going to show you the progress of that pear tree. So far there is tremendous progress on my tree. Guys, without wasting your time, let's go. Well guys, the sad story is about my loquat tree. My loquat tree, as I told you, it was affected by the heavy snow that we had here in Texas. But as you can tell, there's good news. Wait a minute, let me show you. Look at that. The loquat tree, it's becoming alive again. Look at what has started to happen. Look at that. But over here, you can say there's some life coming here. You see, the loquat tree, it's coming live again. Guys, I am so pumped up. I am so excited. You see what the snow can do to your loquat tree? Look at that. It just burned all the loquat tree. It was dry, look. It was dry. Look at another one here. Look at that. Let me show you guys. This was another one. You know, I was expecting by this time we should be eating. But look at that on the bottom. Look in the bottom, guys. What's happening here? It's just we started getting another fresh loquat tree coming from the branches, you know, from the bottom. Are you not excited, guys, for me? I am so excited. The excitement that I have. So my loquat tree finally, eventually, is going to be alive. Guys, comment below. Let me know how long am I going to wait again for this loquat tree to be bigger than this one. Look, this is what happens, you know. We were very much affected by the snow. You know, it was a heavy snow that I have never seen here in Texas. You know, it covered all the trees, the houses, the cars were destroyed, the roads were destroyed, everything was messed up. You know, it broke all the pipes, the water damage. You know, we stayed like a few weeks without water, without electricity. So it was really a mess. It's hitting my face. Oh, look at my face. Oh, look, it's just hitting my face. Really hitting my face. Come on, snow. Oh, God. But the good thing is now the weather is good. It's a little bit rainy, but it's warm. You know, my pear tree, it's getting live again. Look at that. Guys, I'm so excited. How am I going to finish this? The good thing with me is that I share with my friends, I share with people, I share with family. So I have these two trees, as you can tell, guys. These trees are growing. I just wanted to give you a little glimpse, you know, about my backyard and my pear tree. I worked so hard with this pear tree, and they're growing. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This tree used to be the smaller tree, I can say, used to be smaller tree, but for some reason the tree is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I don't know if it's gonna be bigger in my backyard or what. So guys, as you can tell, the rain is drizzling right now. It's a little bit rainy, you know, but I don't mind. All I wanted to do is just to show you how beautiful, how well this pear tree is coming. I'm so excited, guys. Look at that. Yeah, guys, this is the reason why I wake up very early in the morning. You know, weekends, today, Saturday. You know, it's a little bit rainy, it's a little bit cold, but the weather is very, very well. So I thought I'd come to my backyard. I give you a little bit of tour about this pear tree. You know, as you know, my channel, I do a lot of vlogs. So this is one of the vlogs that I wanted to show you a little bit of my pear tree. Guys, what do you think? Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for being part of my life. As you know, this channel has been monetized now. I need to bring you more content in my channel. I do vlogging, I do beauty, I do hair, I do cooking, I do everything in my channel. So guys, I'm happy that you're part of my channel. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel, consider sharing my video, and please don't forget to turn on that notification that you know where I'm popping from. You never know when I'm going to pop another video if you don't have that notification bell on. Guys, thank you so much. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.